This is the second official visit by ministers in Lusikisiki in less than 2 months. In March, 5 deputy ministers converged here to engage traditional leaders and community members on GBV and femicide. The focus for today's message is for men to unite in the fight against social ills directed at women and children.
If men can't listen, we're not going to deal with this thing. Men need to go back, speak to themselves. Maybe this is Imbizo must excuse women. Women must not be the part of this is Imbizo. Come and talk to ourselves. People, they do things that are abominable, things that you can't just understand.
Residents raised a litany of complaints, some of which were against the police themselves. It was in 1998 during the conflicts that were taking place in Kwanyati. Police came to my house and said they wanted my father-in-law's firearm. And when I told them that I don't know where it is, they hit me. One of them hit me with an axe on the waist. It's been 22 years now that I haven't seen justice. I'm even on crutches because in 2002 I suffered a stroke.
I
think the only solution to this scourge will be for us, the youth, to work together and fight for our women. These visits by ministers will not help if we don't change our mindsets as young people to stand up for our mothers and sisters. It's very painful because they get killed by people we know. It's difficult to come forward and say you have seen something because their own parents defend their children.
Minister Cele concedes that lack of resources is also a contributing factor to rising crime statistics across the country.
In the year 2000, I was a national commissioner. 2010, we had 200,000 police. We've got 180. That time, we were 50 million South Africans. This time, we have 182, was 60 millions, which means the ratio of policing does give the problem of the police responding.
The police ministry says about 10,000 police at colleges and academies will be absorbed into the police force to address the shortage of human resources in the police service. Fundiswa Mhlekude, SABC News, Lusikisiki.